Mid Atlantic Colonies.
What are the Mid Atlantic Colonies?
The Mid Atlantic Colonies include Pennsylvania, New York, New Jersey, and Delaware.
Their natural resources were
Rich farmland and rivers.
these were the natural resources to the Quakers. No, not the Quaker Oats.
I guess you wonder where I've been. I searched to find another.
Their human resources are unskilled workers, skilled workers, and fishermen. Fish! Their capital resources are tools, buildings.
What was their social life?
Villages, cities, diverse culture, background, diverse religion.
Their climate was moderate.
The geography in the Mid-Atlantic was
Appalachian Mountains,
coastal plains,
harbors,
rivers,
and rich farmlands.
The reason why the colony was established was because
The Quakers wanted religious freedom to practice their faith without interference.
what did they specialize in? They specialized in livestock, grains, fish. They depended on the southern colonies for tobacco, indigo, rice, and forest products.
What is interdependence?
Interdependence is two or more people depending on each other for goods and services. Examples are the Mid-Atlantic colonies trading with the New England colonies and southern colonies. What was their political life? Political life would take place at the market town. You can buy food there to keep your tummy full, but don't have your tummy too full like the slave ships down south.
Why should I live here when there's two other colonies I could go to?
because everybody's welcome here and every religion is welcome here, and we will not have you be an indentured servant or a slave. And plus, there's tons of space to move out to.